Now this is binomial expansion, that is FOIL method, where we have two brackets and there's no plus or minus in between them. We call binomial expansion. Now the FOIL method goes like this. That's x squared. X times 4 plus 4x. 3 times x plus 3x. Then 3 times 4 is plus 12. And when you've done the FOIL method properly, the middle two terms will be the one that you need to simplify. That's why I've put them in this. I've used the same color, because they are like terms and these are distinct terms. So you just simplify the middle term and you have x squared plus 7x plus 12. So that's what the FOIL method does. Example 2, you start 4x times x is 4x squared. Next one, 4x times 3 plus 12x. Now here be careful, we are multiplying a negative term by a positive term. And the rule says it should be a negative answer. So we have a negative 2x. Again, a negative term, that's a positive answer term, will give us a negative answer as well, negative 6. And as usual, the middle term has to be simplified. So when you simplify the middle term, you're going to have 4x squared plus 10x minus 6. Sorry for the formatting. So we have 4x squared plus 10x minus 6. Let's expand the third example. 6a squared is a positive times a negative now. And it says should be a negative answer, minus 21a. Positive times the negative should give us a negative answer. Simplify the middle two terms, minus 21a plus 4a. So you have 6a squared minus 7a minus 14. So all you need to remember in this expansion is to remember your rule of positive times negative and negative times positive. Once they're all positive, they keep on putting addition because there will be a positive term. Last one on the binomial expansion. Positive times negative. So you can see it's a negative answer. And negative times positive. Negative answer. And negative times negative. It's a positive answer. Now we simplify the middle two terms. Negative 4x minus 6x. That means negative 4 minus 6. If you check on the number line, you're going to have negative 10x. So you have 8x squared minus 10x plus 3. Please, this is not a negative and negative making it positive. When it comes to sums, we don't talk of negative and negative. You need to count toward direction on the number line. From negative 4, count 6 steps to the left, you will land on negative 10. This is the binomial expansion.